So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished changing out this Moen Posi-Temp cartridge. As you can see, the valve is buried pretty deep in the wall. They make extension kits for that if you'd like one. They're like 15 bucks in chrome. You can get those over at Ferguson. It just helps extend everything out. If not, this one's functioning fine. So we pulled that cartridge out of there. Both rubbers peeled back all the way, so we had to run some water through there a few times to get the rubber out far enough that we could grab it with needle nose pliers. And then, of course, there was a big chunk of rock in the cold port coming out of the valve. We couldn't get it with a little tool we had, but apparently flushing it out over and over again, it dislodged, hopefully. You've got good pressure up to the shower head. It's not flowing, as much as what we'd like to see. You can see from the 1/2-inch pipe there, it breaks down to looks like a 3/8 tubing that goes up to the shower head. So there's some restriction just in that pivoting point, then to the shower head. You can do different things in here to get the shower head up, or just replace it and put the shower head right down here on the arm. Whatever you think you need to do with that to get more pressure. So everything's good here right now. Outside of that, this installation is done.